ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ka sarkar jilla kala de phaktin se ka sarkar pedeng ne ka benta ban khot se ka mie jing yakren ne ka sinking atiar hanyotrap National Liberation Council Usambot Menteri Rangba jong ka jilla uba prestun tinsong habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor ha ka henreu tarik ubnai risau arajar arpuai ula ong baka shongpat saha ka sarkar pedeng ban shim ya ka rai halor kani namar baka dei ka sarkar pedeng ka bala khen bi anye ka seng HNLC de ka sarkar jilla.
We have already entrusted to police force to do the needful to make sure that life is fully protected, not only ministers, every citizen of the state. No, we leave it to the wisdom of the police department because they are the best people to assess, they are the best people to know exactly which place or which one needs to strengthen the security coverage or whatever. I have nothing to say again on that. There is no comment because now you knew well, hearing starts, judicial inquiry starts, so I don't have to comment anything on that. Let the judicial inquiry complete their task, their jobs, and then submit the report accordingly. Then only we will be able to say something. See, just saying is very. I think just saying that, alleging the allegation, or for the mere of saying, I think I have nothing to say. We are trying our best. We've been doing that right from the day one we took over the government. We wanted to make sure that peace prevails in the state of Meghalaya, and not only that, we really wanted to see that unemployment is reduced to zero level. When I say unemployment problem, don't say that only government employment is available, but different opportunities, economic opportunities is already initiated by the government. But ultimately, it is up to the concerned citizen, the concerned youth, whether they wanted to take that opportunities or not. So it is ultimately up to them. So we really don't want to see that our youths reaches to the frustration head, where I personally feel that is not at all a good trend. So therefore, from the government side, we have taken quite a number of initiatives. So I'm sure our youths also should take advantage out of these opportunities. Now, see, whatever, we have already sent it to the government of India. Banning of HLC is not done by the state government. We have already strongly recommended to the government of India for dialogue. Telling you, our statement stands. Yesterday we already spoken. CM also has already spoken. So therefore I have no more comment on this because we have already spoken yesterday. When you use the word political, so it's very vast. We can't just name each and every ABDC up to Y. Why should we? But when we mention that, I think you understand. We use that word. It seems politics also takes place. Is the duty of the police because it links to the IED. It links to the IED packet where it was kept there outside the NPP office. So we have already instructed the police force to take necessary action. But what we wanted, what we keep saying is, we need to improve the intelligence services. The question of failure does not arise, but we need to improve it.